Good evening, everyone. Today, the topic that we will start with is your of the chapter motion is your distance. And then we will try to cover with displacement, and then I will also tell you about the difference between distance and displacement. Because in class 7 or 8 particularly, you might be using the same term for distance as well as displacement. But when you have joined class 9 or you have come to class 9, both the terms are totally different. So forget about this. What is distance? एक सिंपल लाइफ में मैं कितना चला इज कॉल्ड डिस्टेंस. फॉरगेट अबाउट द डेफिनेशन. मैं कितना चला मतलब सर ने सिखाया मैं जितना चलूंगा वही मेरा डिस्टेंस. मीन्स the length of the body, sorry, the length covered by the body irrespective of the direction is called distance. मतलब मैं कितना चला. Let's say there is a body and it covers like this way: A, B, C, D, E. मेरे जितने भी definitions होंगे they are related with examples. So those who will understand the example will automatically be able to solve numerics as well as he will be able to understand the topic also. Let's say assume that this is 1 kilometer, 1. Again, this is 1 kilometer. So what is the total distance traveled? So distance is equal to AB plus BC plus CD. So AB is 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equivalent to your 3 kilometers. Clear? Next is your distance does not say about direction. बोला ये कैसे सर? Let's say you went to market and I said what is the total distance covered by you? बोला सर the market is 1.5 kilometers away from my home. So the total length covered by me is 1.5 into 2 is 3 kilometers. Yeah, you simply say that the distance from my home to the market is 2 kilometers away. Have you ever mentioned in your life that I am going towards east, north, south? No. Means direction simply talks about magnitude. So second point is direction. Distance is a कौन सा quantity? Scalar quantity. मैं एक बार फिर से बोल रहा हूँ हिंदी में. जब आप बाजार जाते तो क्या कभी मेंशन किया है कि आई एम गोइंग टू साउथ, आई एम गोइंग टू ईस्ट? यू सिंपली से आई एम गोइंग टू द मार्केट विच इज 1.5 किलोमीटर्स अवे. मीन्स इट टॉक्स ओनली अबाउट कौन सा? इट इज विच क्वांटिटी? इट इज अ स्केलर क्वांटिटी. इट डज नॉट मेंशन अबाउट डायरेक्शन. पॉइंट नंबर 3. Distance is always positive. ये आपको जब बाद के एग्जाम्पल में जब मैं आई विल टीच यू अबाउट डिस्प्लेसमेंट देन इट विल क्लियर टू यू व्हाट इज व्हाई इट इज पॉजिटिव. तो उसको थोड़ा प्रीवियस एग्जाम्पल से रिलेट करते हैं. व्हेन आई सेड दैट सर हैज सेड जो भी चलूंगा दैट इज डिस्टेंस. सो डिस्टेंस इज ऑलवेज positive and displacement distance is always denoted by s or small s, but there will be no direction associated with s. So this is the symbol of distance. Clear? Denoted by small s or capital S. And the fifth point that you have to remember is the SI unit of distance is meter, denoted by m. But if you are going for a longer distance, then the SI unit you can also write in the form of kilometer. Kilometer is equivalent to 1000 meter. Clear? So again I am telling you the length covered by the body irrespective of the direction is called distance. Distance में कुछ नहीं करना, जितना आपने length cover किया है सबको आप जोड़ देंगे. It is always a scalar quantity because I am not mentioning about the direction. Third, distance is always positive, denoted by small s or capital S, and the SI unit of distance is meter, denoted by small m, and 1 kilometer is equivalent to 1000 meter. Please note that we will do all the numerics once the school opens, or even after the completion of the chapter. I will, and the school doesn't open, then I will try to solve that in board so that it will become easier for you. You don't have to take any panic कि numerics नहीं हो रहा, derivation नहीं हो रहा, आपको सब कुछ आपके board में मिलेगा. Now we will go to what is displacement first. What is displacement? When you talk about displacement, it is the shortest distance between the initial position and final position. What is displacement? Shortest distance between the initial and final पोजीशन. जिसको डिस्टेंस नहीं लिखना है वो यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं. शॉर्टेस्ट लेंथ बिटवीन द इनिशियल एंड द फाइनल पोजीशन इज कॉल्ड एज डिस्प्लेसमेंट. अब इस पे एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं और ये बहुत इजी एग्जांपल है बिकॉज यू कैन रिलेट टू इट. बोले सर जस्ट फॉरगेट दिस, लेट्स मेक वन स्क्वायर. Again, 1 kilometer, 1 kilometer, 1 kilometer, 1 kilometer. Let's say Shyam starts from the initial position A, he goes to B, he covers C, followed by D, and finally he reaches to A. So what is the distance covered? फिर से बोल रहा हूं, A से चल रहा है और B पे पहुंच रहा है, तो डिस्टेंस कवर्ड इज AB इक्विवेलेंट टू 1 किलोमीटर. क्लियर? व्हाट इज द डिस्प्लेसमेंट हियर? बिकॉज डिस्प्लेसमेंट कैन बी पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव और इट कुड बी जीरो. मैं डिस्टेंस के साथ डिस्प्लेसमेंट का भी आपको क्लियर कर रहा हूं. इन केस ऑफ अ लेट्स से अ स्क्वायर रोड, हियर डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज बोले सर शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस बिटवीन A and B, between the 2 points, let's say x2 minus x1. So it is again अगर आपको ये जीरो नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो सिंपल समझना, यहां से यहां की दूरी कितना होगा, तो बोला सर 1 किलोमीटर. तो इन दिस बोथ द केसेस प्लीज रिमेंबर displacement is the shortest length between the initial and the final position, and it is always denoted by S के ऊपर arrow. Since it also talks about direction, it is a vector quantity. Displacement is a कौन सा quantity? Vector quantity. याद रखेंगे, displacement is vector quantity. And तीसरा it is denoted by this. Displacement can be negative, can be positive, can be zero. अब मैं वहां पर आपको आ रहा हूं तो ये सब मैं हटा दे. प्लीज लिसन केयरफुली. 3 cases. Displacement can be positive, negative, and it can be 0. Please, point 1. And second, distance is always greater than or equal to displacement. बहुत टीचर ये दो लाइन नहीं सिखाते हैं, इसलिए प्लीज लिसन केयरफुली. डिस्प्लेसमेंट कैन बी पॉजिटिव, कैन बी नेगेटिव, इट कैन बी जीरो. Distance is always greater than or equal to displacement. Now I am giving you proof that how distance is always positive while displacement can be positive, negative or zero. मैं आपको दोनों proof दूंगा. And second, how distance is always greater than or equal to displacement. तो case 1, A is starting its journey and it reaches to B. Here the distance travel is 1 kilometer. Again the shortest path between the B to A, shortest path from its initial to final position is again B 1 kilometer दूर है, A x2 minus x1 1 kilometer. So in this case, in case 1, distance is equal to displacement in terms of magnitude. दोनों 1-1 किलोमीटर है. Both in both the cases here displacement is positive, distance भी positive है. Now see case 2 what happens. Please jot it down. Case 2. Now A after covering B, C, D reaches to A again. So what is the distance covered? AB plus BC plus CD plus AD 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equivalent to your 4 किलोमीटर. देखो यहाँ डिस्टेंस टोटल कितना कवर्ड हुआ, A to B to BC to CD to AD 1 plus 1 plus 4. Now what is the displacement covered? यहाँ पर आपको एग्जाम्पल एकदम क्लियर हो जाएगा. Displacement covered is initial to final position. What is the initial position? A. What is the final position? Again A. So x2 minus x1 is 0 किलोमीटर. यहां ध्यान देना, फिर से बोल रहा हूं, इनिशियल पोजीशन क्या था 0, फाइनल पोजीशन क्या रहा 0. सो डिस्प्लेसमेंट कवर्ड इज 0. तो यहां पर केस 2 इज क्लियर्ड दैट डिस्प्लेसमेंट कैन बी 0 बट डिस्टेंस ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. प्लीज रिमेंबर पॉइंट 2. एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट इज हियर distance is greater than your displacement. Please note that in terms of magnitude, distance 4 kilometer, displacement 0 kilometer. So in this case too, distance is greater than displacement. अभी केस 3 बाकी है जिसको आप ध्यान से सुनेंगे. Please jot it down. Now case 3. Different example. Let's assume that this is the home of Ritesh starting from origin. रितेश का घर है, रितेश होम, and his school is St. Xavier's, which is at Halim Chowk, and the total distance is 2 kilometers. ठीक है? So in case 1, the distance travel is, when he reaches to his school, the distance travel is, please note, 2 kilometers. But when he comes back to school, come back from school, so what is the distance covered? 2 kilometer plus 2 kilometer is 4 kilometer. ठीक है ना? But what is the displacement? 0 किलोमीटर. देखो मैं तुमको तीसरा एग्जांपल में इसको और क्लियर कर रहा हूँ. आप घर से स्कूल गए, let's say it is 2 kilometers away. Distance travel is 2 kilometer. Displacement is also 2 kilometer. However, if you come back from the school in the evening, that means the distance covered is 2 plus 2 is 4 kilometers, but displacement is going to be 0. Right? And third point is, in the evening, you let's go to a tuition center, which is, let's say, 2 kilometers away in the opposite direction of the school. जब भी नेगेटिव का बात होता है डिस्प्लेसमेंट में, नेगेटिव का ये मतलब नहीं है कि आप माइनस में ट्रैवल कर रहे हो, आप अगेंस्ट द डायरेक्शन वर्क कर रहे हो. सो लेट्स अज्यूम दैट योर कोचिंग सेंटर इज इन द अपोजिट ऑफ ईस्ट. लेट्स से दिस इज ईस्ट, दिस इज वेस्ट. नाउ व्हाट इज द डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल्ड? You won't write negative. Negative is symbolic. It means against one direction. 2 plus 2 plus 2 kilometer is 6 kilometer. But here displacement will be. Please note that final to initial position. Since it was positive, it will be taken as negative. So displacement here will be minus 2 kilometers. Clear? अब मैं एक बार फिर से रिपीट कर रहा हूँ, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन डिस्टेंस एंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट. प्लीज जॉट इट डाउन. इन केस 3, प्लीज नोट द डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज नेगेटिव बट द डिस्टेंस कवर्ड इज पॉजिटिव. सो डिस्प्लेसमेंट कैन बी नेगेटिव, कैन बी पॉजिटिव, इट कैन बी 0. डिस्टेंस इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू डिस्प्लेसमेंट. केस 1 में डिस्टेंस और डिस्प्लेसमेंट इक्वल हो गया. केस 2 और केस 3 में आपका डिस्प्लेसमेंट 0 और नेगेटिव था, जबकि डिस्टेंस आपका पॉजिटिव था. सो डिस्टेंस इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू डिस्प्लेसमेंट. नाउ लेट मी सम अप. डिस्टेंस वर्सेस डिस्प्लेसमेंट. आप क्या क्या एग्जाम में लिख सकते हो? डिस्टेंस इज द total length or path covered, while displacement is the shortest path or the shortest length between the initial position and final position. Point number 1. Second is very obvious. One is scalar quantity, distance. It is a vector quantity. Case number 3, distance is always positive, while displacement is could be negative, could be 0 or it could be positive. Point number 3. Point number 4, the difference between distance and displacement is that distance is always greater or equal to displacement. However, displacement is always equal or less than your, ये लिख लीजिए, distance is always greater or equal to displacement. 4 difference. However, for displacement is always lesser or equal to distance. Very important. Please note it down. Write it in your, jot down in your fair copy. That's all for today. In the next session, we will talk about velocity एंड स्पीड। जो बच्चे डिस्टेंस और डिस्प्लेसमेंट को अच्छे से समझ लिए होंगे, फॉर देम वेलोसिटी and speed, the difference between the speed and velocity is going to be very easy. That's all for today. Thank you.